how to find best great clips discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'm going to show you one of the specific resources that you can use for you to be able to locate or find and use great clips discount promo codes. Now open up your preferred web browser, but I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now what you want to do next is to go into this website that's going to be called simplycodes.com. Once you're here, all you have to do is to use this small box, search box, and then type in only great clips, like so, and then choose on the very first result. Once you click that, you should be able to see a lot of options here that you can use, and they also have a specific time on when that specific code was being used. Now simply click this option here to say show code, copy the unique code, and then paste into great clips. And that's it. That's how you find best great clips discount promo codes.